Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to move your Trello board to another workspace. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to move your Trello board to another workspace, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first. Then after opening the Trello application, you will get to see all of your boards into here. Just simply open the board which you want to move into another workspace. And from here, tap into three dots into the top right. Now, after tapping into three dots, you will get to see another three dot. Again, tap into that and then you will see workspace option just below the name of the board. Now, just simply tap into that workspace option and after that you can see all of the workspace into this section. Just simply select the workspace to move this board into another workspace, and after selecting the workspace simply tap into this check button at the top right corner. And after that your board will successfully be moved into another workspace. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.